You see, putting 3 years old, 4 years old, 5 years old, 6 years old, 10 years old in the same environment is the old factory model, and Montessori knew otherwise over 100 years. The traditional model groups children of the same age into the same classroom. Montessori pedagogy does the opposite of this. The environment are designed to accommodate children within the 3 year span. So you see children from 0 or 1.5 to 3 in the same environment, children from 3 to 6 years old in the same environment, children between 6 and 9 years old within the same environment, between 9 and 12 years old within the same environment. One of the questions I often get whenever I share this design with parents and some adults is why? Why is this so? Number one is young children learn by observation. So you see, they watch the 5 years old pour water from one jug to another without spilling, or they see the 4 years old cutting a sheet of paper or strip of paper with scissors without mutilating it. Then they want to be like that child. They want to model after them. So you see, peer modeling is more powerful than adult instructions. The second reason is older children internalize and solidify their knowledge by teaching others. See, when a 6 years old shows a 3 years old how to trace the letters or how to write the letters, they are also extending and solidifying their own understanding of the letters or numbers. So you see, teaching is the highest form of learning. And the third reason is zero or no competition. So you see, a 5 years old is not racing against another 5 years old. A 3 years old is not in a competition with another 3 years old. Each child is on its own developmental timeline. The 4 years old who can read isn't ahead or behind, and the 4 years old who cannot read is not ahead or behind. They are just on their own developmental timeline with their unique experiences. The last reason is leadership and empathy. So you see, the older children take on responsibility, model responsibility, model empathy, and the younger ones also look up to them and model the same. Then you see younger children learning respect from the older ones, because the older one will show them respect just like they also will show respect to the older one. This is real social emotional learning and not a worksheet about feeling. Basically, the mixed age setting mirrors our social life, our family life, our communal life, and the life we've been living for ages. So the interesting thing is where you're currently working does not have adults of the same age. So why should your own child's school have the same? So even if your child attends traditional schools, you can apply this on play dates or when they're having outdoor playtime. So if you find this idea interesting, subscribe and follow my channel for more tips and updates.